Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin at Port Kiro Harbor with Mario and Luigi together, head straight to the docks, and talk to the dockmaster to trigger the lighthouse quest. Make sure both brothers have basic gear and at least one bros point so you can execute any required team moves during early fights. Once done, purchase the boat ticket if the route is blocked. This unlocks the coastal path. Move north along the pier. Keep an eye on map markers to avoid detours and save before boarding. Continue north along the coastal route, prioritizing safe navigation through current zones and enemy clusters. Use short hops to bypass strong flows. When you meet environmental obstacles, employ bros moves. Stomps to collapse soft ground and jump techniques to reach small ledges. This saves time and preserves HP. Defeat minibosses to gain map fragments and any keys they drop. These pieces both reveal the lighthouse on your map and open the locked approach gate. Make frequent saves to avoid with keys and map confirmation, unlock the lighthouse gate and ascend the spiral stairs while clearing rooms of minor foes. Conserve bros points for the guardian. When you face the lighthouse guardian, use timed bros combos to break its defenses and heal proactively to prevent wipes. Timing matters more than raw attacks. Reach the lantern room, flip the beacon switch to complete the objective, and watch the cutscene. If the beacon won't activate, reload your last save. Verify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.